Hey everybody, what's up? This is L for New Pixels 1, and today's review is going to be on the Nike Flyby Mid 3. So let's do this. I wanted to talk about these shoes in particular because for one, they're a great price. They retail for about $69.99. I bought them directly from Nike.com. And the shoe is available in several different colors. I went with this particular color, but I also want to order they have a pair of blue and white ones. And that I'm thinking about getting. And you know what? For $69.99 for a nice comfortable pair of Nikes, it's not bad. And I love the colorway and the color accents they use on the shoe. I see what Nike's been doing with more just really nice modern designs and their foam composite materials that they're using to make the shoes more lighter. It's a good fit for them, and I really like what they're going in this direction.